What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Big Money Mindset YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be giving you another NIO update. Breaking news with NIO. One of the largest United States funds in the world has continued to add a larger position to their NIO stock portfolio. Right now, they currently own $146 million worth of NIO stock, according to a SEC document that I've been reviewing. We will be looking at that article as well. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. This is where I go over my VIP call option listings every Sunday. So the big update will be coming out tomorrow night. We've been killing it on call options the past couple of months. Last Friday was a great buying opportunity. As you can see with my portfolio, it was a pretty solid red day. I bought more positions in Marvel, I believe Open Door, and IPOF. So I did add to a couple of my positions. That's what you want to do, guys. You always want to buy on red days. My portfolio will probably see all-time highs next week. And only if you feel this video gives you a better insight on call options as well as the NIO stock. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you updated daily with all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out and you don't want to miss it. Let's get into the video. So guys, I just wanted to go into a more in-depth analysis on my portfolio real quick just to give you a better understanding of my game plan and what I'm trying to do. As you can see, we took a little bit of a hit, 4.46% on Friday. Lost about 3,600. This is strictly call options pretty much in this portfolio. I have another portfolio that is even larger holding my long-term growth stocks, the ones I don't trade or do options on. They're just regular stocks. I will be reviewing that portfolio pretty soon in another one of my videos, so stay tuned. But I want to give you guys a quick understanding of my call options and what took a big hit on Friday. So guys, as you can see right here, these are all of my call options I'm playing. Ton of call options. As you can see, we are in the green very drastically in many of these positions. I'm pretty damn good at picking call options at the right time. As you can see, the NIO is a little down, which is understanding. It's been dropping for about 3 weeks. But the biggest hit I took was pretty much the APXT on Friday and also the VGAC, which I'm still up drastically on. But those are the two that were some of the bigger hits to my portfolio, which I'm completely fine with. This is going to bounce back even harder next week. So this is what I do inside of my Patreon, guys. A lot of call options we're playing, and as you can see, we're pretty much 85% green right now, which is pretty good on a red Friday. Taking a look at the NIO stock, it is still down. It's been about 3 weeks post NIO day. We're hovering around 56.78. We had a little bit of a boost after hours, nothing drastic. We've seen highs around January 11th. I think the stock was around 66, 67. As you can see in this portfolio, I have about 500 shares at $22 average. This is up about 17 grand. Inside of my other long-term growth stock portfolio, you can see in my other long-term growth stock portfolio, I own NIO shares, about another 179 shares at $58. So this is about a 10 grand investment. I think it's down like 200 bucks, but this was my big final ad on NIO. I did on the pullback like last week, so I got in around 58 for another long-term investment, just to give you guys a little understanding. And I'm also playing NIO options right now, about 4 contracts, $80 strike price. This is 2 years out, January 2023. These are down around 6%. But I'm telling you, there's going to be a huge pop in NIO very soon. It's been building up. It's ready to take off. Just stay patient. I'm telling you, it's going to happen very soon. America's largest public pension bought assets under management recently, made major changes to its investment portfolio. Right here is a SEC report document updated February 2nd. Guys, according to this report, 2021, February 2nd, this is the updated institutional holdings they have. Report for California Public Employees Retirement System. As of 2020, December 31st, the fund was valued at $129,732,346,000. So that's a great sign to tell you that these guys are not gambling on NIO. When you see how large of a position they have right now that has been updated for last year, and it is a very large position. You guys are going to be very surprised. So guys, as you can see right here, if you scroll down on the positions that they are holding, I mean, this is a massive fund right here. I mean, we're talking hundreds of billions of dollars. They have over 2.5 million shares of NIO stock, guys. This is valued around $146 million right now. This is a very large position invested in NIO. This is one of the largest funds in the world. Do your due diligence, but this is giving me more and more confidence for the future upside of NIO. Once again, I'm going to give you guys an updated price target on the NIO stock. Guys, as we can see, NIO sales has increased 352.1% in January. They just hit another sales record. And what happened? The stock has dropped even further, guys. We're still on a pullback. This is an amazing buying opportunity. You just seen I put another $10,000 in at $58 for the future in my long-term growth stock portfolio, which that portfolio is literally about to be clipping $100,000 probably this month, the way the market's looking, and some of my other positions. The sales were a total of 7,225 vehicles, which translate to an average of 86,700 vehicles a year if an estimate of 12 months is evaluated. But in other words, NIO is already approaching 100,000 vehicle sales a year right now. So guys, I did a previous NIO update on the factory that they're in right now to give you a better understanding of what kind of production they can get out of these factories, and you can take a look at it. But the analysis is anywhere from 10,000 to 12,500 vehicles inside of that factory, and we already know that the other factory is going to be built in January of 2022. So it's very exciting times for NIO. You can see some of the larger funds are loading up right now. That's a SEC filing I showed you guys. You can take a look at the California Retirement Fund. Very, very large, hundreds of millions of dollars invested. This is just great upside, guys, for the future of NIO. It just continues to get better, but I really think they rock sales for February. From what I've been reading up on, I guess January sales going into the new year is one of the slower months from what people have been telling me, which is completely fine. They still hit another record, but this could potentially be a sales record of 8,000 to 8,500 vehicles next month is what I'm hoping for if NIO really wants to get a rapid price increase for the months to come. Looking at the one-year chart, we've had two pretty solid pullbacks. We are in one of the pullbacks right now, as you can see, from that $67 to that $56 low, about $11 decrease. I'm still going to go with my price target from April to May of over $100 plus. This is definitely possible, and I really think this is going to happen. May 120 would be my higher price target. I'm still sticking with that. So once again, I think this stock is going to easily gap up $15 in the next 1 to 2 weeks. We will see all-time highs over $70. We will take a look at some call options that are going to be a lot cheaper than the ones that I'm in, those 2-year leap. So let's see what we can find real quick. Pretty much the earliest call I would recommend right now is April. These are kind of expensive, right around that $700-800 range. I think the $60 call is a really good call to be playing right now at $788 bucks. Open interest is right around 15,000. So this is a pretty solid call from what I'm seeing right now. Even the 65 is not bad as well. These are pretty cheap calls compared to the ones I'm playing. They're over $2,000. So this is just my opinion. If you want a little bit of a higher risk call option, I wouldn't go for the February or March or anything like that. Push it out a little bit further to April just to be safe. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. That big fund putting their money on the line with NIO stock is a great sign for the future of NIO. Over $100 million invested. These are the things you want to look for. You want to see what the big money is doing. Patience is going to pay off with this play. It just takes time. You want to be in it before it runs, and we are locked and loaded. We've been buying the dip nonstop last week. Once again, I want to say congratulations to all the Patreon members. We will be seeing all-time highs very soon in our portfolios after that Friday pullback. This is completely fine in the market. Ups and downs happen. You want to buy the days on red. That's the best thing you can do when it's red. Don't get flustered. Don't sell. Don't have weak hands. Continue to buy that dip. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.